Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Tega here, and let's continue the Python series. So today we'll be discussing on another videos on the patterns itself only. So in this video, you can just see these two patterns. This is first pattern, and this is alphabetical pattern of numerical alphabetical pattern. So we'll be discussing on these patterns now. Okay. So before going to these patterns, or even the one more thing, most of the time in interview or in your exam or anywhere you will go, they'll ask you to take the value from user. And in our real time project also, we need to take the value from user itself. So most of the time, whatever the programs you're doing, whether it's a pattern programs or any programs in Python or any other language also, we should know how to take the values from user. So how, what I will do, first I will store whatever the value I will take from the user. I will store in variable that is n or anything you can take. Then we will typecast, because we will be taking the value in integer, and we have the input function, right? So now how I will write some message like enter n value, anything you can take from your as per your convenient. Okay, then what I am going to do here, before going to, I'll just show you one thing here. First of all, if I'll write here like for I in range of, here I will pass the range is n, because here I'm just taking here this line is fully n. They'll ask me enter n value, so my whatever the value I will put in, that will become here. Okay, then after that I will write print of. One thing I just want to show you, if I'll write here string of one. Okay, this one. Okay, I'll just show you one thing. If I'll write here one, then what value I will get it. First I will execute this line itself only. Say I got a one, I got the value is one. And if I'll check the type of this one, okay, if I'll check the type of this one also, then how much I will get it. Okay, so if I check the type of one, that is I got it, but the type of one is string, because the value is in this one, right? So now what I will do here, we have one function. One more thing I would like to say, show you, whenever they will ask you in any exam or in any interview, they will ask you print such kind of pattern. So what you will do, first you just see here, see in the first line, one 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 like this we're getting, in second line I'm getting two two like this I'm getting. So what I will do here, we will do one thing. We have one string function, string of, I will write here I plus one, then I will write star into n. Now I will show you what's the meaning of this one. First of all, I just, now I don't know how many values I will take for n. Consider if I'll take the 5 value for n, then how it will work, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 till 4 it will go. Okay, so here you consider if I value is 0, first of all I, first it will take the 5 value, then 5 will come here. As soon as the range will 5, that time this 5 times, how many times my this loop will run. So this will run like 5 times, like 0 1 2 3 4, this many times my loop will run. Okay, so first when the I value is 0, the 0 will come here. 0 plus 1 how much, 0 plus how much, 1, right? This is 1, it will display this much. I will get the output is 1. Okay, done. Now into means star. Okay, then n means how much, 5 times, 5 value is n, right? So I'm entering 5, so it will display 5 times. It will display like this, 1 1 1. Second time again the I value is 1. I'm getting here I value is 1. 1 plus 1 how much, 2. 2 into 5 how many times, it will display 5 2 times. Like this only it will keep on going on. Okay, so now what I will do here, first I will execute these lines. They're asking me to enter the n value. If I'll enter here 5, okay, if I enter 5, see I got the value is 1 2 3 4 5 I got, but there is no space. If I just need a space, what I will do here, before writing the space, I just want to show you one thing. For example, if I have like two string like Andy, and I have one more string like Candy, these two strings I have. So if I just want to add these two strings, what I will do here, I will write here s1 plus s2, right? So I will just add these two strings. I got the Andy plus Candy. If I just need a space, I can give the space like this also, I can do it. So I got here Andy plus Candy, I'll do it. But now what I will do here, I just need a space here. So what I will do here, this is string, we know this is string, we know, right? So here first I will write plus symbol, then I will write here this is space. Okay, space I will give it, and I will do it another variable. Okay, so this bracket is closed. Okay, this bracket is closed. This I'll take one more bracket here. Okay, now all the brackets is closed. Now I will execute this line. Okay, now enter the n value. While asking the 5, you can see now we got the space 4. Like this I got the output. So okay, then if I want to go for this second pattern, for that what I will do here, for the second pattern also I'll do one thing. First we'll take the value from n. N is one storing one variable n. Then I will typecast in integer. Then I will take input function. Input function I will type here enter n, enter n value. Then I will take like 4 I in range of, I'll take here n. Okay, then now what I will do here, now you see here what we are getting in the output. First of all, in this pattern I can see like a like this I'm getting, then I'm getting like b b b c c d d. So okay, so before going to that one, I just want to show you, we have one functionality in Python, like we have some function in Python. Okay, so if I write print, and if I have like one function, we have chr. Okay, first if a value is actually a value is 65, but I will show you how we will get the a value also. First, if I want to get the value of 65, so I'll show you like this: 65, then I will get 66, then I'll get 67, then I will get, okay, like if I'll write 68. So I'll just show you how we will get the values. You can see I got like a b c d, like this I got it. And one more thing I would like to show you, one more function we have. Now we know the value of 65, how much a b c d, but if sometimes you don't know the value of, now I don't know the value of a, how we will write it. A, like this I will write it, and I will just check the value of a. See, with value of a is 65. Now if I just need a value of b, how much, like this I will just show you. Now the value of a, you know, ORT function we have. Now value of b, how much is there, I will just check it. The value of b is 65, you can see 65. Now if I need the value of z, how much is the value of z, we got the value of z is 95. Actually it's a capital Z. Okay, I'll just try the small z, it's a 120. Okay, that's 122, like this. We small and capital also we can write it. Okay, so now what I will do here, we have that function, right? So I'll write here like print, then I'll write here chr, then I'll write here 65 plus I into star into n. I will just, first I will go for this example itself only. So here we know n value is, if it is n value is 5, so I'll take 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, like this 4 I will take it. So we know if the n value is 0, first the 5, first if I enter the 5 value, the 5 will come here, the range will be fixed 5, like this 0 to 4. Okay, now if the I value is 0, what I will do here, see here, you can see here I will just see if the I value 65 plus 0, how much, 65 itself, right? 65 means if it is character, how much I will get it, you just can see, we'll be getting here a, like this I'll be getting. So then what I will do here, I'll taking a how many times, n value is 5, so a will be 5 times. Again the output will go for 1. Okay, and 65 plus I value is 1, 165 plus 1 is 66, 66, that means b into how many times, n. So like this only the program will be running till n number of times. So I will execute this. They're asking me enter n value. If I'll enter the n value is 5, see I got it, but there is no space. If I just need a space, as I told you, space, if you need it, you press plus and take this one and close this bracket and take one more bracket here also, like this you can do it. Okay, so now if I'll go like this, I will execute this program. Now they're asking me enter n value. If I'll enter n value is 5, see now you can see, we can see there is space also, a b c c d d, like this we can go. So this much only in this session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And guys, practice at your end also. That is, practice is very important because pattern programs are very important. Even though it's very easy if you practice at your end also, and practice more and more from your end. Okay. And guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.